Tired of sky-high heating bills or uneven room temps during winter? The Goodman GR9S920603BN is a 92% AFUA, 60,000 BTU gas furnace that brings reliable warmth and energy savings to your home, without taking up a lot of space. This compact unit fits into tight areas, thanks to its 17.5-inch wide cabinet, and it's built for upflow or horizontal installations, making it a great fit for attics, closets, and crawl spaces. What does 92% AFUE mean for you? It means 92 cents of every dollar you spend on natural gas is turned into usable heat, and less is wasted through the flue. Inside, a 9-speed ECM blower motor adjusts airflow to keep temperatures consistent and reduce energy use. The single-stage gas valve keeps things simple and dependable, while a self-diagnostic control board helps technicians spot issues fast. This Goodman furnace is perfect for smaller homes or room additions, giving you powerful, efficient heat without noise, bulk, or unnecessary complexity. 60,000 BTU heating capacity, 92% AFUA efficiency, natural gas operation, upflow or horizontal compatible, 9-speed ECM blower motor, single-stage gas valve, compact 17.5-inch cabinet, quiet performance, self-diagnostics for easy maintenance, and of course it's backed by Goodman's 10-year parts limited warranty. Get the right balance of comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind with the Goodman GR9S920603BN furnace. Find it now at thefurnaceoutlet.com, where smarter home heating starts.